Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is another episode of Ed's Island, where everybody eats. Today's video is a very highly requested video. It's my kale salad. Now, I eat this salad probably once a week, every week, and it's so freaking good and so easy to make. If you guys didn't already know, I upload every single week. Look out for a video every single week. Hey, and don't forget to hit that bell notification button to be notified every Thursday and Sunday that I upload. Let's get started. Trader Joe's, if you're watching this, yo, sponsor me, because legit everything from this recipe is from Trader Joe's. I mean, you can find it anywhere else, but they just have everything I need. First ingredient you need, kale. This is the organic shredded kale, super good. I'm not gonna use all of it because that's kind of a lot. Next up, we got a tomato, cucumber, literally the only vegetable, fruit. I guess tomatoes are fruit. But you're gonna need these. Pause. You're actually gonna need a red onion. You could even use crispy fried onions. I noticed that the onion was missing while I was eating my salad. Okay, continue. And I also put a nice little avocado, okay? Get that avocado in there. I also put unsalted dry toasted silver almonds. That's a mouthful. Looks like these. I love that they are silver. It gives like a nice flavor. And we also have Kalamata olives. This is also super essential. Oh my God. If you're gonna make this, make it the way I make it or don't make it at all. Don't pick and choose what to put, you gotta put them all, okay? And last but not least, we got our cilantro dressing. This shit is bomb, like so fire. I usually never put dressings in my salad. It's always vegetable oil or lemon, whatever, but girl, this cilantro dressing is where it's at. And this is optional to put chicken. You could put fried chicken, baked chicken, whatever. You can literally put any protein in this salad. I'm gonna go ahead and add some of my oven baked chicken. So first thing I'm gonna do is preheat that oven. For seasonings, you're gonna need salt, pepper. I just said salt, pepper. Salt, pepper, everyday seasoning, also from Trader Joe's. And if you guys like some spice, put some crushed red peppers. Even though these are pre-washed, don't be nasty. Wash them again. This is only for me, so I'm gonna put about maybe 2 handfuls. Yeah, so it's gonna look like this. Put them in here. All right, now that we have it washed, I'm gonna put them in here and spin it. And for those of you asking, I bought this from Bed Bath & Beyond. It's xoxo, best thing ever. If you wanna stop it, you press that button and all of that water is in there. All right, so I'm gonna take my bowl, transfer everything back in here. I just noticed I have a leftover tomato, so I'm gonna use that. Wash these cucumbers and we're gonna start chopping. I'm gonna put this beautiful chicken into the oven. Now, something about all of my recipes is I cannot tell you guys a exact measurement. As long as you got all the ingredients, you basically put everything to taste. If you're a person that likes more tomatoes, put more. If you like more cucumbers, put more. Totally up to you. Is it only me, or do you guys agree that depending on how you cut a vegetable or fruit or whatever, it will taste different? For me, this has to be small or else it's not gonna taste right. So because of that, split it in half, and then split it again. That's it. We're ready to go. You could cut it up however much you want. So they're gonna look like mini little watermelons. Throw them in the bowl. I love tomatoes, so I'm gonna put a lot. I'm probably gonna put this whole entire thing. Now, I know I'm not using the right knife. I can't find my favorite knife. Whatever. So you're gonna make them about this big, like a little cube. One time I went and got hot chicken and I couldn't finish it all. So I kept my leftovers, and then at night I made this salad. I'm like, wait, let me put that chicken in there. Holy shit. It was absolutely amazing. It was like addictive, you know? Like I wanted to keep eating it. It was so good. So yeah, if you guys have hot chicken leftovers, throw that shit in there. All right, diced them up. Now we're gonna throw it in here. Wipe it down so mama don't get mad. Grab that avocado, split it in half. I'm gonna use the whole thing just cause it's small. I'm gonna slice it like this and then cube it. So we're gonna have little squares. Throw it in. This is how I take out the pit. Ready? I just squeeze it until it comes out. And then whatever's on the side, usually there's never anything on the side. But I just go like that and that's it. Cause that like thing kind of freaks me out. Like what if I miss and hit my hand? Like, I don't know. So I have always squeezed and then taking it out like that. Works for me. Now we're gonna take the Kalamata olives. These are oily, so wear a glove unless you don't mind your hands getting oily. I don't like that feeling, so I'm gonna grab a glove. Every time I post this salad on Instagram, I get more and more requests, so I'm like, you know what? I'll tell you guys my secret. Grab as many olives as you want. Put this to the side just in case you want more. To literally do that. It's clean. What we're gonna do here is super easy. Just literally split it in half. Make sure these are pitted so you don't have like extra work to do, get the pit out and whatever. Usually they're always pitted, but just be careful when you go shopping to look at that label. And I feel like the Kalamata olives, literally any dish that I put them in, really brings the flavor together. I think if you were to not include the olives, I don't know if this is gonna taste as good. The olives are just so refreshing and I love olives. Absolutely love it. I would literally put it on my fingers as a little kid and eat it all. Nothing has changed. All right, so this looks good. It looks like that. And I am not gonna add the dressing yet. I like to season my salad before any type of dressing, just so the tomatoes and the olives could soak in the salt, the pepper, the seasonings. So yeah, grab your salt, add to taste. Get that black pepper. I love a lot of pepper. Grab that everyday seasoning. I use this in literally everything every day. Get it? Get some crushed red pepper. Throw it in there. This one's optional, only if you're a spicy eater. Oh my God. The pepper just got in here. So the chicken's gonna be done in about 5 minutes. So I'm gonna wait for the chicken and then put the dressing on top just so it goes all around. So I'm gonna let the salad sit for a little bit and I'll be back. I'm gonna mix it around just to see if I like the tomato ratio, the cucumber ratio. It looks good, it looks really good. I think I might add a little bit more olives, but good thing we left this in here and just grab some more. Fist it, boom. Clean my cutting board for the chicken. So the chicken is ready. It looks awesome. So I'm cutting her in strips and then I'm gonna dice it up. Just like that. And this is the chicken that I have literally every day. I meal prep with this chicken. I season it myself. It's so good. Like, it's stupid good. I'll make a video on this chicken probably too. It has to be done right and it's so good. And I've actually shared it on my Instagram and I've gotten messages back like, yo, how did you come up with that? And I'm like, I don't know. I just put a bunch of things together and it comes out really good. So let it cool down. All right, now that the chicken is cooled down, I'm gonna add the chicken into the salad. Give that dressing a good shake and add it in there. First of all, let's just look at that. How amazing does that look? Add that dressing in there. I knew this wasn't gonna be enough, so I brought another one. I'm gonna add this in there. Okay, that should be good. I'm gonna mix it up. And then when you're done, add the almonds. I'm just gonna drizzle it on in there. You guys, look how amazing that looks. Like, holy shit. So good. You guys, look at that. Look at that. It's so good. I haven't even eaten it yet and I already know how bomb it's gonna be. Ready? Fire. You guys, this is so freaking good. Let me know if you guys try out this recipe. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.